Indian Express free market myth. As Washington play bully, the India must assert sovereignty, secure oil supply, build competitiveness. Trump action have unpaneled the premise on the while the Indian's economy policy have been based since 1991. Economists imbued with the American's ideology how driven the policy pursued the idea of the global free market for goods with which India must integrate for its own goods by dismantling all trade barriers. India has gone a great distance in that direction since then without reaping the rewards promised. The sharp of the industry and the sector of the economy most exposed to the world trade has hardly grown. Now India has discovered something far deeper, that there is no free market for goods globally. If anything, testing to the truth that might be right in today world is the ostensible reason underlining the Donald Trump's imposing of a 50% tariff on the Indians export to his country. The level of tariff is matched only by the rate slapped on Brazil. This even tough tout Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has would Trump essentially ever since his first term in office. The huge and the hard holding have meant nothing when it comes to the United States pursuing in its interest, no matter the violence of dealing over a billions people across to oil on which their livelihood depends. The US has been complicate in the devastation unleashed the Gaza by the Israeli. If India is a fueling Russian war machine by using its oil, the United States is Israel war machine itself. Almost all of these weapons, mass destructions used by Israel are sourced from the United States. Historically, the US has not only the bankrolled Israeli with aid but also rescued it from senior in the international horror for the genocide in Palestine. Given that the world known this record is hardly need to be the pointed out that in the case of Russian oil, it signaled out India when its NATO partner have purged more of that oil India has since 2022. Trump action have upended the premise on which India's economic policy have been based since 1991. Economists imbued with the American ideology who have driven that policy pursued the idea of global free market for goods with which India must integrate for its own sake by dismantling all trade barriers. India has gone a great distance in that direction since then without receiving the rewards promised. The share of the industry, the sector of the economy must imposed to world trade has hardly grown on. India has discovered something far deeper, that there is no free market for goods globally. India need to be three things in the response to the US action. First, in the a version of Trump on reciprocal tariff. It should impose a 50% tariff rate on US goods. This will convey the message to the world that India has Jepson Jepson in the any given situation standing up to the bully has cost as well as the benefits. The obvious cost in this case will be that Trump will not be pleased. The benefit of this standing up the bully would be the support that will continue from countries who view Trump's action as unacceptable. Some of them also happen to post an export term that is particularly vulnerable to India. Oil, prominent among them, would be Russia and Iran, major global suppliers of oil, while India has mentioned its historic relationship with Russia, which has held it in the good street. It has short-sightedly easy up and its much older civilizational association with the Iran in response to the US sanctions. It has reduced its purchases of oil from that country. India should now pivot towards Iran's buying oil from its interest of purchasing it from the United States under pressure, as India certainly does. In fact, India should course the world for every possible source of the assumed oil supply, securing its supply chain. Therefore, it is the second things India need to do. The third implication Third imperative for Indians following the Trump's tariff would be the hunker down and focus on the heavy lifting on the building global competitiveness for its goods and service. In principle, India can find other market for goods now facing higher tariff in the United States, but this is not assured. The reformer of 1991 have shown themselves to have assumed innocently that India need only align itself with the policy regime of the Western economies to reap rich rewards on its global stage. This episode has revealed that integrations with the world economy can have positive result only if you have products to export that are competitive in that they offer the some value at the lower price. There is heavy little in the economic theory or global experience which assumed as that competitiveness will simply follow the rescinding of trade barriers. It would require infrastructure in building, laws, and skilled workforce and marketing, as may be gathered by anyone schooled in the economic history. The role of the strong and the nimble government in the coordinating such other transitions would be indispensable. Market left to their own device, device can't deliver competitiveness to a country product. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has had his American dreams punched by the Trump who has led him up to the garden path only to pull the rug from the under his feet. Given Americans' record of the involvement in Asia from Hiroshima in the last century of Iran in this one, his advices should have continued him against reposing full trust in Trump now. He had some hard work to do He must still himself to fulfill the first two of their imperatives have outlined for the third. He will need more than just at Atmanirbhar Bharat. He needed to craft a more imaginating economic policy than he has produced thus far. Despite the navigate that he has displayed in his dealing with Trump, Prime Minister Modi is not responsible for his verifying in the deadline dealing with the national emergency that we now face. He need to the supported politically. Even section of the Indian depend on oil. Almost all of these is imported is indisputedly Indians' interest to the start to its supply even though we reduce our dependency on it.